Today I'm going to show you how to create this durable paper plane called the gliding plane. To begin, fold the paper in half and then open it back up. Fold the right corner down to the opposite side about 2 inches from the left corner. Open the last fold and repeat with the other side. Open it back up and accordion fold both sides in. Take the right edge and fold it to the center line, and then repeat with the other side. Next, take the center part and fold it up like this. Using a ruler, make a crease along this line and then fold it the opposite way so it's tucked behind. Make another crease here and then tuck it behind as well. Now repeat those 2 steps on the other side. Next, fold the plane in half away from you. Using a ruler, fold down one side at an angle, like this. Next, on that same side, make another fold. Now repeat on the other side. And this is what the gliding plane should look like.